Hello friends, today I am going to unboxing InFocus Vision 3 best bezel-less smartphone under 8000 rupees. You can see here is InFocus Vision 3 logo top of the box. This smartphone comes with 2GB RAM and 16GB ROM. 18:9 full vision display, 5.7-inch HD plus on-cell display, 82.4% super screen ratio, 13 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera, 8 megapixel front camera and 4000 mAh battery. This is the best smartphone under 8K from InFocus. Price only 8000 rupees. So let's see what is inside this box. I am cutting this box now. So this is InFocus Vision 3 bezel-less 18:9 full display phone. This is quick start guide. There is SIM ejector and this is a USB cable. And see there is that is travel adapter. This adapter comes with 5 volt, so this is good from InFocus. But this phone not support quick charge. You can see here there is no Type-C port available. This is regular micro USB cable. There is a speaker, fingerprint, dual camera with flash. So this is great from InFocus under 8K phone. (82.4% super screen ratio available in this phone. So this is bezel-less display. 8 megapixel front camera with beautification mode. There is lots of beautification features available in this phone. There is SIM tray and power button right side on this phone. Now I am turning on this phone for first time. There is InFocus logo. Now I am taking off this plastic. Now it says choose your language. I said English. Next, internet connection, so skip. Name, next. Now Google services, next. Skip, setup later, fingerprint settings, skip and finish. So this is a home screen. Allow. So this is a home screen of this phone. This smartphone looking so nice. Now let's see the Android version of this phone. Let's go about phone and processor 4 cores, memory 2GB RAM, 16GB ROM. And you can see here Android version 7.0 Nougat. Tap Nougat. You can see here this phone comes with Android Nougat. So let's see the camera. There is lots of features: time lapse, video, photo, beauty, panorama, pro. Lots of customization you can set here. I can say this is the best smartphone under 8k rupees. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.